Hey everybody! Welcome back to another Mama G's cooking video. Today we'll be showing you how to make your cherry vanilla pudding fridge cake. This super simple, no-bake cake only has 4 ingredients. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to add your vanilla pudding into a bowl with half of your whipped cream and give that a good mix. From there, you want to grab your cake pan and add a small amount of your vanilla pudding mix to the bottom of the pan. Make sure to get it all the way to the corners and the sides. Then you want to go ahead and add your first layer of graham cracker cookies. Make sure you get to the edges and all the way to the corners. You may even have to break some of the cookies to get all of the area. You're going to repeat layering the cookies and the vanilla pudding mix until all the cookies are gone. As always, the full recipe is in the description below. After you finish layering the last of your graham cracker cookies, you're going to want to layer on the remaining of your vanilla pudding mix. Again, make sure you spread it really well, get to the sides and all the corners. And just like that, you're at your last step. For your final layer, you want to evenly spread the cherry pie filling. You could really use any pie filling you'd like. Mama G has done blueberry and strawberry before, and all have been delicious. After covering and letting the cake sit in the fridge for at least 6 hours, you're ready to serve. Mama Gia likes to serve it with some whipped cream on top. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys try out the recipe.